Good afternoon, second year students, and very happy morning also. Today I am going to take practical class 1. Already I did one practical class, but unfortunately some problem in uploading YouTube. So because of that I am going to do same exercise once again. This is in practical number 1. This only you are going to write observation. Here first screen w3schools.com. There I selected editor. Here second screen it is in notepad. The HTML code file name is basiccode.html. So how to go for that basic code? Now I selected editor, HTML editor, Windows 7 or 8, open the start screen. Here open the start screen, and 7 also open start, and then program, all program. So accessories, all program, you have to select accessories, then notepad. So this is the way to select notepad. If you frequently use to notepad or copy some program or executing that same editor, and that file is frequently submitting to the browser, means that automatically will come in window. So that is for Windows itself, Windows Start. No, so that itself, first screen itself, notepad automatically displayed in that. So then easily you select notepad and copy some program, or you did your own program in the notepad. Then after that file name, corresponding path you should submit into the browser. So then only you will get the result. Okay, so this is the how to select editor. Start, all program, accessories, notepad. Finally you will get this screen. The empty screen you will get it. After that you have to submit the execution. This is one way how to select editor, text editor. Okay, so are you clear? This is practical. You have to listen always very careful. Then after this code, if you are going to execute, you will get this screen. Okay, so I executed already. Here I submitted the same file in browser, d:/basic code.html. So this is the execution. So in that execution, so 3 class before you saw my you listen my class, means you know. So this is the structure of the HTML, that is called layout. It is in exclamation dot type HTML. It is an initiation of the HTML. It is identification of the HTML code. So then after that you have to start with HTML. So it is in that HTML only, open tag HTML, close tag. Okay, after that open tag head, close tag. So this HTML, end of the program you are going to close. Head, no, head within the title only. So it is one structure. So initiate the program. So first line, second line, start the program, and end the program, open tag /HTML, and all the closing tag it is going to end. So here HTML started, then end of the program. So HTML you are going to close. Here head. So head within the title, head of the program. So the program name here mentioned, first HTML code, for adding some text using. So my first class how to adding some text to the text editor using Notepad text editor. How to add some text using text editor in Notepad. Okay, so properly you have to, this it is not appeared in screen, you save it as usual. So here if you save no, automatically it is saved in the head. So head under title is the title, it is going to end here. Here title started here, ending here. Okay, this code it after finally save the code, after that run in Google Chrome browser. Then here you are going to submit same file into the Google Chrome. So then only you will get the result. So here starting first structure means here initiation, then heading of the program, then body of the program. This only will appear all the execution here too. So within the body only the final execution will appear. So here it is an HTML code. So body here as shown is heading size, it is in large size, then H2 is moderate next size, like that H3, H4, H5, here open tag, close tag. Likewise it keep on reducing the heading sizes. Why? Because if you are giving some heading no, so after that you are coding no, so that is clearly you know what is the heading of the coding. So likewise only here I also given here heading size heading 1, here this is the heading 1. So then next one is heading 2, here moderate size, here H6 open tag, close tag, H6, here close H6, here last heading sizes. Then here no, after that HTML link are defined with a tag. So why it is underlined means, P means paragraph, separate line will display. I means, see the font sizes also, I means italic. So here I, P, open, close, here slash, last. Okay. So here I, italic font size will display, here italic it is displaying, italic it is displaying here. Then after that, after italic, U, underline HTML link or defined with the tag. So here you also closed. So then that is the reason HTML is coded like that. So because of that only HTML link are defined with the tag. So it is displaying like that. So and my explanations 3 days before, last week explanation, unordered list, order list. Okay. So here unordered list, here bullet sign will display here. So bullet sign will display, it is unordered list, order list, here 1, 2, 3 will come. So first one is dog, next one is cat, third one is tiger. Okay. So unordered means bullet sign will come. So this is the HTML code. Then again hyperlinks. So HTML hyperlinks is also one of the title. So here Href is using to show w3schools.com. So this is a link. So if you Href is an hyperlink. So if you click here HTML is coded like that. Here if you are going to click this is a link, then automatically that link will go to w3schools.com. So I am showing that link. So it is automatically will go to the w3schools schools.com. So already it is not selected. The link is going to connect. Yes, it is selected. w3cschool.com. So then automatically that website will display. So that's all. It is a execution. One hyperlink execution. Okay. So second one hyperlink execution. Then second one is here. Where is that? Okay. Second one is second one is absolute URL. Absolute URL means that is also W3C one particular page. So if you going to click W3C, that also you will get W3C particular page, that is absolute URL. So hyperlink, that is only by w3schools.com. That full page it will display. Then W3C means w3.org. So this is a particular page. W3C open and deliver city fund applications for TPEAC 2020. Particular page will display. So then this is another way of link, hyperlink. So this type of hyperlink used to collect the collect or link the other website. Okay. So at the time of you are going to develop website, so likewise only hyperlink is given and refer to the other websites. Next one is Google. If you are click here, then you automatically you will get Google page. So three way hyperlink in 3 examples I gave, and also this is the code. Here first one is w3cschool.com. Here code is running. So then second one is w3c.org. Then third one is it is Google came. So today some special case, they are displaying different images. Okay. So here Google came. Okay. So here then next one is image. So image, how you are going to display. So here my ID card images is displayed here. Here, so the image ID image.jpg. So this image SRC means it is an attribute. So that attribute you are specifying within double quote only. Double quote, and size also you have to give. So width is 460 and then height is 345. Then that size is automatically will display the image sizes. So my ID card. Okay. So here once again, what is attribute? So up to this we'll see. Next table. So and color also. Color you can show it from this website. Table next exercise. Table we'll see later on. Okay. Next one is table examples. That clearly I will give later code. So here I think that color is not mentioned. Here body itself you have to give color. Only one color I will give to PG color. Here PG color equal to double quote 00 FF 00 double quote close. that